years since we've seen each other. I know I've been MIA, so I thought I would just make an update video and let you guys know what's been happening the last few years. Oh my god, it's been so many years. How are you guys? So we went through a lot. We went through a lot of panic buying, a lot of crying. And then I moved. And because of the move, everything that I've been working on has surrounded the new house. We started renovating, and then I realized that our walls needed art. So I started painting. First painting is a replica of this Instagram artist named Simon something, blah, blah. I forgot his last name. It's really cool. It's a drip painting. And then I painted the Millennium Falcon. I like this. I messed up on it though. I think the drips should be going in the opposite direction so that it kind of looks like it's flying through light speed. But I still enjoy it. Then I painted the Enterprise D, and then our dogs. The bottom one is the DOGG. After painting, I was supposed to start making YouTube videos again. So I logged onto YouTube, and then I ended up just going down a rabbit hole of 3D printing videos. And so I started doing that instead. I was able to create a lot of things that I've wanted since I was little. So I started with bonsais. I've made so many of these, I don't even know where to put them anymore. Then I made a fleet of our favorite Star Trek ships. These are not to scale. I know it probably bothers you. Now I've always wanted a dinosaur skull, so I 3D printed a T-Rex. Oh my gosh, it's an adolescent though, because it's only 3 feet long. An adult T-Rex is 5 feet, but that was just too big. I don't even know where to put this one. That's why it's just on the floor. I also really like maps, so I 3D printed Los Angeles, and then I thought it would be cute if King Kong and Godzilla were just battling in the middle of it. Now, like I said, everything that I've done has been geared towards the new house. Now, we wanted privacy in the front yard, so we planted some hedges, and then I created a garden. But because of 3D printing, I was able to turn that into a Pokemon garden. It was only supposed to be 1 Pokemon, and then it's just like a million. They're just like stone statues, but they're made out of 3D filament. I think I'm gonna paint them. I don't know. I kind of like it like this. Now, the last thing that I wanted to tell you about was a dinner that I had with my friend Carla. We were sitting in we were crying in a Korean restaurant by her house. We were just so over our lives and the people in them. But we were also complaining about how expensive 3D cakes are to buy. You know, there's only a small amount of people who can actually afford them. So that's how we came up with our company, Dreamlab Cakes. You know the kawaii cakes that I used to make? Basically that, except instead of being flat on the table, they're all standing in 3D. On this channel, I'm gonna start to show you how to turn him into a bunch of characters. But I also want to focus on story time. So I'm gonna be turning him into a bunch of people in my story. There's a lot of people I just want to talk trash about. Let me tell you. And those people are gonna become cakes. So that's all I've been working on. So I'm back from my hiatus, and you'll be getting a new cake video in a few days. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you. I'll see you very soon.